Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this heat pad. That's for feet or hands or back. It's got some little openings in there so you can slide your feet in there. So it's a little bit more versatile than just a regular heating pad. That allows you to heat the top and bottom of your foot at the same time, or your arms or whatever. So that's kind of cool. All right, comes with some instructions if you need them. And here we go, has some, this bottom portion has all these little silicone beads on there, so it won't slide around. Well, that's really good grip on there. Okay, so you can see this is nice and soft material here. Actually quite large. Has a little button here. So specifically, so you can just put your feet in there, and this is nice and padded. All this is really soft here, so you can put them in there and be secure. Okay, so I have concrete floors in my house, so needless to say, if I'm not wearing any socks or shoes, it can get a little chilly on the feet sometimes, especially during the winter. During the summer, it's nice because it's like it's warm out or whatever, and the concrete's not too chilly. But summertime, wintertime, it gets a little cold. So it's nice to have some warm feet. It's really nice to just be able to relax and just enjoy that. So I'm going to show you guys how long the cord is here real quick. I'd like to show that just to demonstrate. Okay, so that's with this on top of it. It's decent size for sure. That's 6 feet right there, and probably another 3 feet. So probably a 9-foot cord, give or take a few inches. I like that. Sometimes you get products and it's got like a little short cord and you're trying to plug it in, and like, where am I going to sit? I'm going to have to sit like right next to the wall outlet. So I'm going to go actually take it over to my couch right now, plug it in, test it out, tell you guys what I think. All right, my friends, so here we are. Has this nice little remote here, and as we can see, has different, goes all the way to 9. So I have it on 9 right now. Then it has a timer if you want the different hours. For 1 hour, 4 hours, or 8 hours, just turn it on and turn the heat setting. So already getting nice and toasty. This is, like I said, it's plenty big. So unless you are like an absolute giant, your feet will fit in here nicely. So it's already feeling nice and warm. It's super comfortable on my feet. It's soft and yeah, it just feels like really good actually. So if you have cold feet, or you just want to enjoy like a nice warm cozy feeling, this thing is super nice. Another thing I wanted to just show you guys real quick is in addition to this backing being silicone, it has a little zipper here, so you can just zip this off and take out the heating pad and throw it in the washer on gentle, and you can clean it easily that way. So I'm just going to go back to enjoying my nice warm feet here. So thanks so much for watching this review, my friends. This is a quite comfortable and nice, heats up fast, and I will see you all next time.